You made pizza dough, but not like this. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you how to make black pizza dough that looks amazing and tastes even better. For this recipe, we need, I would say, 123 grams of strong bread flour. So this is charcoal powder made out of bamboo. And I'm just going to put about 2 grams. Once you add the charcoal powder, you then add in the yeast, 3 grams of salt, and before you add the water, it's good to just mix it all up so that once you add the water, it will look even. You add 75 grams of water, and then you start stirring. You can start mixing with the fork first before you use your hand. As you can see, the mixture is mostly incorporated now. What you do now is you just let it rest for 30 minutes before you start kneading the dough. Once it has rested, you can remove it from the bowl and start your kneading. Pass your hand as well and take it out from the bowl. Rest assured, your hands will be a little bit black, but that's fine. It's all this dough. So you just press it down and pull back. Press it down and pull back. If it's a little bit sticky, just move it around to get a little bit more of the flour. And then you continue kneading. So now once it's coming together, you can form it to a ball, cup it. You can see. Just cup it. There you go. You have the black pizza dough. So you put the dough in a bowl and you allow it to rest for at least 24 hours. It will develop some nice flavor, and you can take it out tomorrow before you shape it to make your pizza dough. Time to sleep, baby. The dough has been left for 24 hours. As you can see, it has proofed sufficiently. It's airy and a lot of bubbles. So just flour your board and then just gently scoop it out from the bowl. You don't want to be too hard here because there's a lot of air that's been trapped here now. Don't worry if it looks a little bit deflated. Once we shape it up, it will go back up again. So lightly flour it, and just fold it back into a ball. And once you're done, you just let it rest for around 2 hours. Then you can basically use it for pizza. Black pizza dough is perfect with any toppings, just like this delicious pizza margherita. Share with me your ideas in the comment sections below.